Minimum system requirements for downloading and installing Xfinity Stream app on laptops.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the minimum system requirements for downloading and installing the Xfinity Stream app on laptops. If you're an Xfinity customer and want to enjoy your favorite TV shows and movies on your laptop, stay tuned as we dive into the details.
Compatibility with operating systems.
The first thing you need to check is the compatibility of your laptop's operating system with the Xfinity Stream app. The Xfinity Stream app is available for both Windows and Mac OS. For Windows laptops, the app is compatible with Windows 7 or later versions. If you're using a Mac, make sure your laptop is running on Mac OS 10.9 or later. Please note that older operating systems may not be supported, so it's important to have the minimum required versions mentioned.
Processor and memory.
The Xfinity Stream app requires a certain level of processing power and memory to function properly on your laptop. Here are the minimum specifications. Processor. You'll need at least a dual-core processor for smooth performance. Higher-end processors will provide an even better experience. Memory. RAM. The minimum required RAM is 2 GB. However, having more RAM will allow the app to run more efficiently, especially when multitasking. Make sure your laptop meets or exceeds these requirements to ensure optimal performance of the Xfinity Stream app.
Internet connection.
Since the Xfinity Stream app streams content over the internet, a stable and reliable internet connection is crucial. Here are the recommended internet speeds for a smooth streaming experience. Download speed. Xfinity recommends a minimum download speed of 25 megabits per second for streaming in HD quality. Upload speed. An upload speed of at least 3 megabits per second is recommended for HD streaming. Keep in mind that these speeds are the minimum recommended for a single device. If you have multiple devices connected to your network, you may need higher speeds to avoid buffering or interruptions.
Display and graphics.
To enjoy your favorite shows and movies in high quality, your laptop's display and graphics capabilities play an important role. Here are the minimum display and graphics requirements. Display. A minimum display resolution of 1024 by 768 is required for the Xfinity Stream app. Graphics card. Your laptop should have a capable graphics card that supports hardware acceleration for smooth video playback. Having a higher resolution display and a more powerful graphics card will enhance your streaming experience, allowing you to fully enjoy the content. That's it for today's video on the minimum system requirements for downloading and installing the Xfinity Stream app on laptops. Remember to check the compatibility of your operating system, ensure you have a capable processor and sufficient memory, maintain a stable internet connection, and have a display and graphics setup that meets the minimum requirements. We hope this video has been helpful in providing you with the necessary information. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.